Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a taste testing. What am I going to taste test this time? It is the Weight Watchers beef bolognese. So I got this one from the supermarket from about $3.50 New Zealand dollars. It's kind of like very affordable. This is a light meal and the health star rating is only 3.5 out of 5. So it looks like this is not the super healthy meal, but it's like in the middle. It's like very acceptable. The energy level is 94.4 calories per 100 gram, or the whole serving is 213 calories. So there are two ways to heat up this beef bolognese. One is by microwave, it's only for 4 minutes, and the other way is by oven, which will take 30 minutes. But because I think I want the best taste, usually I reckon maybe oven can create the best taste for beef bolognese. So I am going to put it in the oven for 30 minutes and then I'll come back. So let me open it first. It looks like that. It's in a plastic holder, perfectly sealed. I don't think I want the plastic holder, so I'm going to put it into a dish. So when you open it, it looks like that. Looks quite nice though, actually. Got a little bit of cheese, I think. Okay, let me put it in a plate. And then I will put it into the oven for preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. And then place the meal on the oven tray in the center of the oven. And then I will heat it for 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes oven for 180 degrees Celsius. Look at it. Oh, the whole dish cracked. I can't eat this one now, so I'm going to get another one and I will do it the other day.
2,000 years later.
So now it's after many days later. I bought another pack, and so I put it in the oven for 30 minutes. So I put it in a this kind of oven dish, and then I put a piece of aluminum foil to cover it in the oven for 30 minutes. So it looks pretty good. That like I give you guys a close up just now when I just took it out from the oven and rest for about how many minutes? 2 minutes, 10 minutes, no, 5 minutes, and rest for about 5 minutes. So it looks quite good and got lots of sauce there. So now let me taste it. It's kind of difficult. Not sure. I still taste a little bit powder, like a flour. Not sure if it's not enough time in the oven or not. But overall, it tastes pretty good. It is very edible, and it is light. As you see, the portion is quite small. So if you want a quick meal and on diet, then maybe it's a good choice because it is very low calorie. And it does taste like the real beef bolognese. edible, very edible. This one is from Weight Watcher, but it's made in New Zealand, I think. In the supermarket, they also have a chicken mushroom pasta. It is the white creamy one. It's more expensive, like about $5 something. This one is about $3.40 New Zealand dollars. And the chicken and mushroom pasta is about $5.50, I think. And they also have a risotto, I think, if I pronounce it correctly. I can't really remember. I have a very bad memory recently. That Italian rice. So yeah, I'll see how you guys like this video. If you like it, then I will buy the other 2 meals from Weight Watcher and do a taste testing video. So let me know if you want to watch more of this kind of videos or not. Okay, then so that's all for this video. I hope you will like it. If you like it, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.